Hi everybody, Creative Katie, Karen Burchill. Welcome to my studio. I just wanted to pop in and do a quick update and ask for your help. First, the update. Here's what's happening here. This past Tuesday, February 13th, I underwent hand surgery for a condition called Dupuytren's contracture. It's been a long 2.5, 3-year wait for this surgery to happen. And not surprising, this means that I am not able to do much for 2 to 3 weeks. So creating is pretty much out of the question. There's not a whole lot you can do one-handed. Now don't panic, because I knew this was happening. I was able in the last month or two to stockpile a bunch of videos so that I have enough videos to last 2 to 3 weeks. So you can still get your Creative Katie inspiration, your Creative Katie fix. Every 3 days a new video will come out. So it's going to be like I'm not even gone. Now here's the part where I need your help. I am not someone who can sit still for very long. I like to keep busy and to do things, and understandably there's not much I can do with my hand right now, be it in the art studio or anywhere in the house. So I'm asking, leave me comments, give me something to read, give me something to answer. Might take me a little longer to answer because I'm typing one-handed. Also, I want to use this time to do some forward planning. Plan out some videos that I can do once I'm able to get back in the studio and start creating. I want to make videos that are of interest to you, that are relevant to what you need or want. So let me know. Is there a certain product that you know I have that you would like to see me using more? Or any product? Is there a focal point that you would like me to use? Is there a certain theme? A prompt? Is there a color? A color scheme? Is there a technique you'd like me to revisit and do a tutorial specifically on that? Do you want to see more gel printing videos where I create collage sheets? Do you want me to use up scrapbook papers? What do you want? Leave your suggestions in the comment section. You can submit more than one idea. I'm open to it all. Now please note that I can't guarantee that every suggestion that you give me will turn into a video, but I really do want to know what you, my viewers, are interested in. That way I can be in the studio, I can be planning some videos and give you content that you want to see. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for commenting, for encouraging me and sharing my video.